Now say you want to go to Amazon.com and you really want to buy something from Amazon, and you sort of go onto the site, you search for what you want, and you look at the price and you realize, oh no, I don't have enough money, if only had a bit more. Well, today, what I'm going to show you in this video is a way that you can make a bit more money online so that you can buy this item you want and you can get it delivered to your door. So we are going to find 10 easy ways to make money online, which anyone can do from home. Please click here to subscribe and press the bell icon to be notified of my new uploads. Number 1 is Indeed Job Spotter, which is available on the App Store and Google Play. And basically, what you have to do in this is you walk around, you find an advert for a job in a window somewhere, and you take a picture of the job advert, as you can see here, and you take a picture of the shop. And based on if this is a popular place, or for example if it's a homemade sign, you get points. So for example, I got 202 points here, and this is the equivalent of about £2 or just above £2, and you can get up to 300 points per submission. And look at this, I've made Amazon vouchers just by walking around, and I mean, it's great exercise first of all, and it's a good way to get some more vouchers put on Amazon. And this is a very reputable and trusted place. I mean, it's done by Indeed, the guys who put job adverts online, so you're basically doing a bit of their job for them, but you get some money back. And so far, I've made £92.60 just from this app in Amazon vouchers, which is great. Quick Thought is available in the Google Play Store and the App Store as well. And this is an app where you do surveys and you earn some money and Amazon vouchers again. So it works by doing a survey, which is each survey is worth 50 pence, and you can do a certain number of surveys. As you can see, I don't have enough money here, so let me just, for example, do 1 or 2 surveys. As you can see, yep, there, this is a 23-minute survey, each are different lengths. Oh, look at the top one, it's a bit quicker. So say I've done these surveys, which are quite easy, not very hard to do, and look, I've got £10 in my wallet here. So what I do is I go and redeem this gift voucher, and instantly, just by pressing that button, I already have a £10 voucher code for Amazon, which I can basically buy whatever I want just for doing some easy surveys. I mean, my tips for this is that you should do the shorter surveys, so the 10-minute ones. They're probably more worth it, and you can do about 4 a day. And I've earned a total of £50, which is absolutely fabulous. The next is an app called Pocketflip, which again is available on both app stores, on Android and Apple. And basically, you have to do tasks in this. For example, you have to play a game and reach a certain level, or you need to sign up for something, and you get rewards for this. So you earn points, and you can basically get points on anything. And I say I prefer Amazon, so for example, you need 5,600 points to get a £5 voucher. And when you start doing this app, it's actually quite easy to earn that money. Obviously it gets harder over time, but I mean, it's not too difficult. And I mean, for example, this is Quick Thoughts. So you haven't installed Quick Thoughts yet, you just go and do this. You go and do a survey and you got 572 points, so you're 10% off the way there. And this is slightly easy. I mean, if you enjoy doing things like this or playing games, this is a good way to earn a few extra coins and get a few extra vouchers or whatever you want. I really haven't done this much, so I only have £5 earning on this, but you can earn more. Next is an app called Shoppix. Basically, everyone goes shopping to a supermarket or something and you get receipts, right? So all that you do on this app is you take a picture of your receipt whenever you get one, and you get points for this, and you get more points if you submit on the same day, and you get scratch cards and you get a draw, and you need 3,200 points to get a Amazon voucher for £5. I mean, it takes a bit of a while to do. I mean, it might take you a month to get this £5, but it still is £5, and I still haven't reached it yet. But basically you just take a picture of the receipt and the lines here, but I will over some time, and this is a great way. Talking about great ways, another great app is Curious Cat. In Curious Cat, you have to do various tasks or do surveys, and you get points. And as you know, you use these points and you cash them out and you get vouchers for them. So you need at least 100 points, which is not too hard to get. If you look at some of the surveys, are nearly worth 175 points. So this is quite an easy way. please make sure you subscribe and press the bell icon to be notified of my new uploads. So, since we're at it, let's get to the next site. This is on your desktop and it's called user testing. And it's a good way to earn some money. So basically you just go to usertesting.com, and what you can do is, let's just have a look actually. Let's get paid to test, and you press this, and basically all you do is you review a site. And when you review that site, you get some cash. Great way to earn some money, right? So basically you just have to talk, you just need a microphone, you don't need a webcam. It says $60 per test, but normally it's around $10. $60 is for a sort of live call. So I just prefer doing the $10 test, and it's a great way to get paid. So you just sign up with your email address, you have to do a trial test, which is free. And then if you get accepted, it takes them a couple of weeks to accept you actually, because they get so many applications. As long as you get accepted, you get as many chances as you want. You get accepted, and then you can go on and you can do some survey. You can do these reviews. And basically, as you can see, you have to take a screener. You fill in the various questionnaires they ask you, make sure you're truthful. And when you complete it, you get some money. So let's have a look here. I've earned this much money from here, and I mean, you get feedback, you get rated. The higher rating, the more surveys you get. You just have to speak your mind. You have to make sure you do everything that's asked of you, and you can't really go wrong with it. And I say it's a very easy way. They just pay you straight to PayPal after a week, I should say. So you get paid after a week because the companies need to have enough time to check your review. I don't actually know if they do it or if they check it within that. But for example, they will pay you within the week. And I've earned a total of $100 already, which is £79, which is great, and it's an easy way. Another site actually is Swagbucks. I mean, this is not the best site in the world, and there's many different things to do on Swagbucks. So basically you just go to swagbucks.com. You can see here there's many different things, and let's just explore what you can do actually. So the main thing I do is surveys, but there are other things to do. So you can see I have 145 swag points there, and I can redeem these. So let's have a look. So you can go to shop, and in shop you get cash back on wherever you go, and there's quite a few places you can get cash back on. It's a bit complicated. You make sure you order online and make sure you switch off your ad blocker and things like that. What you can do is watch videos. This is not the best way to earn. You don't get much, and I find this to be quite buggy. You can answer surveys. This is the best way. So you can see a wide range. You can get 75 Swagbucks. You can get some over 100. I recommend doing those, and I'll actually tell you a nice little hack which Swagbucks won't like me saying. But if, for example, you get points if you don't complete a survey, so you get one Swagbuck for getting disqualified. But say, for example, you do a 15-minute survey, and what you do is you basically just open the survey and leave it open for 10 minutes. You get to it suddenly, and you basically just do whatever details the survey wants you to do, but you get disqualified. Guess what? Swagbucks won't give you one Swagbuck point. They will give you maybe 10 or 20 because it thinks you spent that long on the survey. So I'd advise people when they're doing this is just leave it open for a few minutes, so you get maximum yield, because otherwise you're just going to keep getting ones, because you can get disqualified quite easily from these surveys, and you get a bit more income like that. And obviously if you do complete the survey, you'll get a lot of Swagbucks. As you can see, I only got one Swagbuck because I basically was disqualified within a minute. So you can make quite a bit from doing this, and I mean, if you have some time, but say you're at work and you have a bit of time on the side, I'll do it. You can also discover things. So for example, like one of the earlier apps I showed you, what you can do here is you can play new games up to a certain level, go to new sites, sign up for things, and you can earn a certain number of points. As you can see here, if you play this game here, you can earn 1,500 Swagbucks, which is a lot. You can also play games, you can get rewards, and you know what? Let's have a look. Oh no, my internet has stopped working for some reason. I do apologize for this. Let me just refresh this again. Just give me a moment, please. And whilst you give me a moment, let me just remind you again, please do subscribe for more content like this and for more of my how-to videos, and also the various reviews I do of cars, driving these cars and of various gadgets around the house that you can buy off Amazon. So please do make sure you subscribe. I do appreciate it. So, right, we're back again. So let's have a look. So you earn this, you basically earn so many Swagbucks and you can cash them out for vouchers. So 700 Swagbucks for a $5 or 1440 for a $10, £10 swag Amazon voucher, sorry. So I recommend getting 2 5s actually. I do say that they do take up to a week and they are quite slow to get that card back to you, but they definitely do pay you. And as you can see here, I have earned so many Amazon vouchers just by doing surveys. I mean, it did take a while, but I have managed to do this. This is all legit, I should say. And if we have a look at my total earnings of these 10 gift cards that I've earned so far, I mean, it's taken me a few months, but I've earned £98. Now that is quite a fair sum of money again. So Swagbucks, if you can put in a bit of effort, that's a great way of earning. Another survey place is QMe. Basically, you download an app and it takes you to the site here, and you get paid for a survey for a certain number of pence. And this is actually how much that survey is actually worth. Like, I'm not kidding. This, for example, this survey there is worth 45 pence. And you do this survey, you complete it, and you can cash out to PayPal, or you can get gift cards, and you can basically cash out any amount of PayPal. So even if you have 1 pence, you can cash that out. I think you have a minimum of £5 for a voucher. And let's have a look at my history. I have earned £19.39 from this site just by doing surveys. I mean, I haven't used QMe too much. If I used it more, that sum would be a lot higher. But as you can see, you can instantly earn this. And I mean, I've only earned this in 3 months. So, and this was 3 months of doing about 5 surveys a day. So £19, that's more money towards whatever I wanted on Amazon. So the next place is IntelliZoom. So how this works is you go to IntelliZoom.com, you sign up, and they basically send you emails when when these surveys or reviews are available. Mainly it's like reviewing a site. For example, BBC might ask for an opinion on its sport page and you say why you like something. So basically all you do is you click on this, you basically see what device it's for. You can, if it's a mobile device, you should have this app installed on your phone, but you have to wait for the email. If it's on the desktop, you go straight there, you do whatever it asks you to do, and they email you when you've completed something, and they take a bit of a while, and they pay to PayPal. So each test is normally $2 or $5, and it takes them about 20 days for them to approve it. And as long as it's approved what you've done, for example, you haven't done gibberish, you get paid. So I've earned a total of $50 or £40 from this, and I do this in my own time. The last place I told you is Lionbridge. It takes a bit more effort. It's like a second part-time job, and basically you're a freelancer, you're responsible for your tax, but they pay you quite fairly as long as you do what they ask. So let's just go to the United Kingdom job section, and as you can see, there's 3 jobs here for sale. So there is a search engine analyst. What they've now changed the name to side-by-side web content judge. So you basically look at Google results and you say how good they are. You can also become an internet safety evaluator. So basically, how safe are sites? How safe are the results? Are they offensive? Are they pornographic, for example? Should you be visiting them? And what you can do is you get paid for that, or you can look at a quality of a map. All of these are working from home. They're all part-time jobs. They sort of have a minimum requirement. So you earn a minimum of about £10 an hour. You should do about 20 hours a week if you can. Obviously, I'm not allowed to show you any of how to do this because I have signed a confidentiality agreement. But basically, you just get some results for a search and query and you just rate how they are. So basically, you just sign up. You have to send your CV. You have to fill out a little form. That goes through. Then you have to do a test. The test isn't too difficult. I'd say my advice for the test is to just think like an idiot and you will pass it. If you think too much, you'll probably fail. You sometimes get 2 attempts to do this test, and it takes, I mean, you should study the stuff they give you, and once you pass the test, you have to do a bit of training, and as soon as you've done the training, you can get straight through it. You have to fill in timesheets. There's an average amount of time for each thing, and I recommend you take the full average time. You fill in your timesheet and you get paid for the hours. So, for example, you do 5 hours of work a day, you're gonna get paid you're gonna get £50 that week. And here we can see how much I've earned. These are legitimate invoices, and I've earned so far in a few months £214, and this is increasing month by month. So my total earnings, can you believe it, are £578. That is quite a bit of money you can make, and that's just within the year. We still have the rest of the year to go. So guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this.